where you're at a parking lot, does the pedestrian always have the right of way, or how does that work?
No, no. Parking lots are very dynamic, complicated environments. People coming and going. There are not designated areas for traffic that are separate from the designated areas for pedestrians. The cars and the pedestrians are intermingled in a parking lot. If you do get hit in a parking lot, sometimes the person who hits you will freak out and will start driving off. Get that phone out and see if you can get a picture of that tag before they're gone, because they might make it around the corner and be out to the light and gone, and there you lay. So if you're capable in a parking lot of capturing a picture of the tag of the vehicle, please do that. The next thing to do is look around and see, do you have any witnesses, anybody who saw what happened? Often, I hate to say this, but we have seen a rash of this lately. Elderly people in parking lots really struggle in their cars to navigate parking lots. So please be careful in a parking lot. If you see an elderly driver, they could really be struggling to make it to that parking lot safely. We've seen a rash of that lately, of people asking us to help who have been hit by elderly people in parking lots.
Hmm. In an instance where someone does hit you in a parking lot and runs off, and you're unable to find that person and be able to sue that person, or perhaps you do find that person, they don't have insurance, is there any liability for the place of business since it happened on their property?
Probably not. I
Mhm.
mean, probably 9 times out of 10, probably it's not going to be there. But you have what's called, hopefully, you have paid for uninsured motorist coverage, and so that person is driven off. You really really got to have is that other witness in the parking lot. So when you're laying there, and the person drove off, you didn't get the tag, and and someone else comes running over and says, "Oh my gosh, I saw what happened." Please get that person's information, that witness's information, because that witness seeing what happened can be really helpful in accessing your own uninsured motorist coverage. And so, in the situation you're talking about, I wouldn't naturally turn to the business. It's unlikely to find the business did something wrong, but it is likely that the person who hit you did something wrong. And so, if we have a witness who saw this, what we call John Doe driver, then that will help us access your uninsured motorist coverage to help you out.
Yeah.